I need you to do both of us a favor. Don't just do me a favor. Do you a favor as well. I need you to be honest with yourself. Tell yourself the truth. Are you willing to put in the work to stay motivated? Are you deeply dedicated? If your answer isn't yes, then waves might not be for you. Sorry to tell you, man. Listen, this wave stuff is no joke, especially when it's talking about getting deep waves. And if you're dedicated, then you're just in luck, because that's what we're going to be talking about in this video. Stick around.
Playmakers. Okay, out of my wrist, counted and spin it, mad at the coop.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy. Damn, I just slammed my back. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy WAVEMANMIKE, and we're back for another video. Alright, in this video, I'm going to be talking about how to get deep waves. So if that's what you're looking for, stick around, because that's what I'm going to be talking about. Before we talk about anything, make sure y'all go hit that like button. For every like you press on this video, dang, I didn't think of anything. For every like on this video, a new elite waiver is born. I couldn't think of anything else. I was gonna say like another $1 I'll send to one of you guys, but I'm kind of broke. Sorry about that. But yeah, just go smash that like button, because why not? And if you're watching right now, make sure to go leave a comment. Comment, follow me. I know the way. Get it? Whey protein. You know the way. I know, it was corny. Anyway, thanks for watching. So stick around, because I'm about to tell you how to get deep waves. Let's go. Alright, first up, when you're getting deep waves, you need to make sure your hair is long enough. This is going to sound really cheesy and really corny, but honestly, your hair is just like the ocean. Yeah, I know, it's cheesy. I just said that. But listen, in the ocean, there's what? Waves. On your head, there's what? Waves. Here's where this connection comes in. Have you ever been on the beach? Like just a regular beach, shallow water, and seen a humongous wave? I'm not talking about like in a tsunami situation, nothing like that. No, right? On the beach, the waves are a lot smaller than in the middle of the ocean. Why do you think that is? Because in the ocean, the water's a lot deeper. The deeper the water, the bigger the waves. The shorter the water, the smaller the waves. It's just like that with your hair. The longer your hair, the deeper the waves. The shorter your hair, the smaller the waves. Ah, see, that makes sense. I've never heard anybody else ever make that analogy before. I even made that analogy in one of my old videos like a year ago. Alright, so think of your hair like the ocean or any type of water. If the water is shallow, how could the waves be deep? Makes sense, doesn't it? If the water's deep, won't the waves be deep too? So, if your hair is longer, don't you think your waves be deeper? I think I made that up. I don't think anybody's ever, like, I didn't hear that from anybody. I just thought of doing it one day. I would draw like a diagram of like of what that looks like, but you guys roasted my drawings in the last video about deep waves, so I'm not gonna draw anything. But yeah, you see how that works? Now let's talk about what type of brushes you're gonna need to be using and how you need to use them. I would say to get deeper waves, you want to always end off a brush session with soft brushes. Of course, you're gonna need a hard brush because your hair is gonna be longer, right? So you need that hard brush to do the work while your hair is long. But here's the thing. When you, how do I describe this? When you use a hard brush, you're pulling and stretching, right? When you stretch something out, it becomes less deep. Okay, here I have like the little tie from like a loaf of bread, right? If you brush this with a hard brush, look how deep that is right now, right? If you brush this with a hard brush, it's gonna stretch it out. Look, it doesn't look as deep as it would without it, right? But if you use a soft brush and you brush it, it's just gonna keep that same depth. See, that makes sense, doesn't it? I know what you're thinking. This man's a genius. It's okay. Like everybody that's watching this video is probably thinking that, so what can I say? But anyway, you want to use a soft brush because it isn't going to pull your hair as much as a hard brush would. A hard brush, I feel like, can make your waves wider, and a soft brush will make your waves deeper. Those two things usually don't go hand in hand. Like, sure, you can have wide, deep waves, but your waves will be a lot better, well, no, a lot deeper if they weren't as wide. Unless your hair texture is naturally already wide, then that's a whole different thing. But yeah, but nevertheless, like I said before, you're still gonna need to use the hard brush because your hair is gonna be longer, and you're probably gonna be wolfing. If you don't know what wolfing is, let me explain that right now. Wolfing is basically just growing your hair out at an extended amount of time. That time needs to be longer than what you would usually grow it out for. So let's say somebody like me, like a person like me who doesn't have waves. I'm saying if I didn't have waves. The same texture of hair, they will probably cut their hair maybe once every 2 weeks, maybe every 3 or 4 weeks, right? So the person with waves who wants to wolf, instead of cutting their hair every 2 to 4 weeks, they will wait a lot longer to cut their hair. Once they get in that 5th week or that 6th week or going past 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 weeks, then they will be considered wolfing. Currently right now, I'm not wolfing. I have my hair actually pretty short because I'm trying to shift my waves. That's something that's something else about trying to get deep waves. You should probably want to perfect your waves before you trying to get deeper waves, because when you get deeper waves, all your imperfections in your waves also get deeper, such as your forks and stuff like that. Your forks can get deeper. So make sure you look into that before you go ahead and start making your waves deeper. But nevertheless, you can still fix your waves even when they're deep. You're probably asking, why would you even want to have deeper waves? That's a good question, but I feel like it's pretty obvious. Deep waves just look better, you know? Everyone knows, like, if you want to make your waves more visible, your waves need to be deeper. So for all the people who ask how to make your waves more visible or how to make your waves pop out, basically just make your waves deeper. So everything I explained in this video will help you out with that. Also, you can use some moisturizers. Curl Enhancing Smoothie by Shea Moisture is going to basically enhance your curl pattern. The more enhanced your curl pattern is, the more likely it is that your hair or your waves will become deeper. So keep that in mind, because waves and curls go hand in hand. Pretty sure you already heard the analogy about waves just being laid down curls. So there's that. That's pretty much all I can think of to talk about in this video. If I forgot anything, make sure to tell me that in the comment section down below. Like I said, if you watched this far, make sure to go comment wait. That's WHEY. Comment this in the comment section. Can we try to get at least 2 likes on this video? I know it's gonna be hard, so I'm just hoping and praying that we can just at least get 2. Maybe I'm shooting a little too high. Maybe I should ask for like a half like or something like that. I mean, I would be ambitious. We could try to get 4 billion likes. It's probably not gonna happen, but hey. No, but realistically, let's try to get at least 90 likes on this video, just to show that you support my channel and support me, and you care that I'm making these videos to help you out. But yeah, I'm WaveManMike. Enjoy your day. Just for fun, I'll throw in those drawings from the last How to Get Deep Waves video. Just because I'm pretty sure the audio in this video is copyrighted, I'm just gonna go ahead and redo it. So here's your hair, right? Short hair. All right, I'm gonna label it short. Okay, now here's when your hair is longer. Long hair. Now let me show you. If I draw waves in the short hair, look at how these waves look. If I draw waves in the long hair, look at how these waves look. A lot deeper. A lot deeper. Which one looks deeper to you? The short one or the long one? Tell me. To me, the long one looks way deeper. Let's just go ahead and draw the face. I know people were roasting me about these drawings last time, but you get it. The eye, the nose, the lips, stuff like that. But look, his hair is short. His waves aren't as deep as if
his hair was longer. So I hope that makes sense. And I hope that made a good connection for you, because I'm pretty sure it did. So I'm Waveman Mike. Enjoy your day.